Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on the coin Helium.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and we'll be talking about Helium today. This is not financial advice. We'll be talking about different ways you can be making passive income within the bull or the bear market using Helium, and why it is very good in my opinion.
But before we get into this video, please may I say that only 5.6% of you that actually watch our videos are subscribed. So if you could please press this red subscribe button, that would really help us out. Thank you. Let's get straight into the video. So right now it's $10, but the all-time high was $21. Yeah, the all-time high was $23, and the market cap when it was at $23 was $1.6 billion. So, and if it's only $1 billion right now, so we need about $670 million to flow into Helium for it to go back to $23 or break the all-time high. Which, to be honest, obviously in the long run will 100% be happening because there's only 39% in circulation right now, so there's still another 60% to be released, which in short term will make the price go down, but in the long term, once majority are released, it will just it will not be dropping due to the coins being released.
Okay, so as we can see on the website, this is meant to be the people's powered network. Okay, so you start a wireless revolution. As we can see on the website, there's one good thing about this Helium network is that it provides you to mine it from home in very small electricity. So there's something called a BOBCAT. So as we can see here on the website, this is something that you use for mining Helium. And if you click on order now, basically be able to grab this item and be able to mine Helium every single day. And as you can see, it costs around $430. Okay, and estimate to make every day it varies. Some days you can make $5, some days you can make $200. It's crazy. It's something that you need to keep in mind, and you can only use USD or the Ethereum network, so ERC20, to be able to send money to the address so that it can be shipped to you. Only downside is it takes a long time for it to arrive. It can take up to around, I've heard around 15 weeks, something like that, so that's a very long time to be waiting, and especially when you don't know what the price will be and how crypto will be affected within 15 weeks time. So if you're willing to wait and if you're willing to just have a miner just sitting there and earning you a decent amount of income and with minimal electricity of around, they say $1 a month of electricity, and it does, which is very good and very efficient if you think about it, because if you're spending $1 a month on electricity, the rest will just be basically profits. And yeah, it is something that you need to keep in mind, and in my opinion, it's definitely something that anyone that is willing to make passive income do look into. There's a lot of stuff happening that is very effective within our ecosystem. And the good thing about this is that the network is expanding. When there's a lot of miners near you, you're going to be making more money. So let's say you live in an area such as central London. Let's say there's a few miners 2 miles away from you. There's one here, there's one there, another 2 miles. You all basically be earning more rewards because when the system detects there's another miner near you, you'll be making more rewards as they'll be distributed more instead of actually, being by yourself in a small area. For example, let's say you live in St. Albans and there's not many miners near you, then you won't be making as much as somewhere where there'll be a lot of miners near you, and yeah.
So with Helium, you can also stake and become a validator. So to run a validator, it requires 10,000 Helium, which right now would be about $1,000. Sorry, would be $100,000. So to run a validator, you need 10,000 Helium, which is about right now $100,000 as it is $10 each. You need 10,000. So and you'll be running a validator node software in a suitable environment. So in return for staking, users will be contributing to the network, which is what being a validator is, and you will receive Helium token back in rewards. So you'll be making a passive income from staking, of course. So right now we're only on the mainnet staking. There will be a mainnet threshold and a mainnet activate validators coming. Jesus Christ. I didn't know Helium was even a thing until today. 100.
Go on 5G at the top.
Wait. So you can also stake when you don't have 10,000 helium tokens as well. This is through outsourced. So this option assumes that you do not have the full stake amount, which is 10,000, to handle the technical tasks required to run and maintain a validator node. So this is why you need the 10,000 tokens. It's not because they're putting a limit on it. It's because you need the 10,000 to actually help to maintain the validator node, to actually be able to run it. So there's independent staking providers such as PancakeSwap and all these other third-party companies that you can stake with, all decentralized.
Overall, I'll give this product a 9 out of 10 because there is a lot of money that you can make. However, you need to have a lot of money to start with. That's the only issue. And many people don't have a lot of money to be putting into a miner, and it kind of defeats the point of passive income because many people want to earn money, but they don't have enough money to make money. And nowadays, you need money to make money, which coin like PancakeSwap making you passive income if you buy at the low and start staking it, and other cryptocurrencies such as we covered Strong, covered many others in our channel as well, which make you passive income daily, which is something that everyone basically wants. And yeah, this will be a 9 out of 10.
So this is the end of the video now, but before we end the video, please may I say subscribe to the YouTube channel as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.